Hello, 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 fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Welcome to my channel, and now let's manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Miss Mo. Okay, so na-pre-shuffle ko na tong cards. I'll just have to cut it. And then, alamin natin kung ano yung overall energy between you and your person. So again, this is a love message para sa lahat ng fire signs. Okay, so first card is Nine of Coins. Okay. And second card, the Hierophant. Alright. Okay, so you might be dealing with a Taurus. Okay, doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. And since it's a suit of coins or pentacles, yeah, either Taurus or another earth sign then. Okay. So Virgo or Capricorn. So you might be dealing with those signs. Doesn't have to, but check their other placements like Moon, Venus, and Rising. Baka Earth sign sila doon or yeah, specifically Taurus sila sa placements na yun. Okay. So there's a lot of commitment in the relationship, which is good. Even leaning towards a long-term one, like pwedeng engagement, pwedeng marriage pa nga. And here with the Nine of Coins energy alongside it, na there's a lot of security, okay, in the relationship, and there's freedom in a way na both of you are not parang feeling restricted or parang stuck in a certain situation. So for some of you, pwedeng you were free from any issues, conflicts, arguments, and for some of you, pwedeng free from any burdens, okay, or merong financial freedom, may emotional freedom. You can express yourselves or emotions freely sa relationship na ito. Ibig sabihin, walang hesitation sa pag-express, pagsabi, whether it's through words or pag-express ng love through other love languages. So, very comfortable kayo sa isa't isa, and thus, kaya nakikita ko dito na the commitment is even getting stronger. Okay, you also have a shared belief over something, pwedeng sa yung belief system nyo pareho, regardless yung sa spirituality man yan or sa mga point of view, for example, political and other matters. So there's alignment actually, and it's a very good start for all fire signs now. Okay, before I proceed, I would like to remind everyone that this is a general and collective love reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, now let's see ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon, okay, given this overall energy. Bakit at anong balak mong gawin about it? Okay. Okay, strength. Oops. Strength card. Ten of Coins. And Page of Wands. Oops. Ayan. Sige, sunod natin to. para kita siya sa... Okay. So this is the overall energy, and this is what you feel about this, and why you're feeling this, saka anong balak mong gawin about what you're feeling. Okay, that's really good kasi here with the strength card, there's very naniniwala kayo sa strength ng relationship. Very confident kayo na magtatagal pa ito. And this confidence is anchored nga dun sa stability na meron yung relationship. Kanina, di ba, the overall energy is showing a sense of security and freedom. And alam nyo yun, hindi nawala yung yung individuality ng bawat isa. Actually, parang mas nag-grow pa kayo individually alongside growing together as a couple. And here with the strength card, it shows, tapos nakakabit pa siya kay Ten of Coins, na what you're feeling is really security and abundance in the relationship. Alam mo kasi na itong relasyon na to, kahit anumang pagdaanan ninyo, alam mo na malalampasan nyo yun. Ganun ka-confident din sa relationship at sa connection mo with your person. Okay? Somewhere with the Ten of Coins, alongside with security is the energy of stability. And here, nakikita mo talaga na pang long term na to, pang matagalan, pang forever, even for most of you. Okay? Parang nandun na kayo sa point na talagang alam nyo na ito na yung relationship at siya na yung person na makakasama nyo habang buhay. And that's really good. Kaya mo din siya sabi ko, kaya mo siya na-feel kasi nga na-feel yung long-term nito, long-term potential nitong relationship is because nga na here there's a lot of commitment, a lot of stability, and a lot of security. And sino bang may ayaw nun, di ba, sa relationship? Bukod sa there's a lot of love. I mean, people won't put much effort on a relationship kung hindi rin naman siya anchored sa pagmamahal. Okay? And here with the Page of Wands alongside it, I think what you're going to do about this is to parang aim for, in a sense, kasi yung Page of Wands has this energy of new beginnings when it comes to the some desires, passion, and purpose. So I think what you're going to do about what you're feeling is to think or create something that would help sa pag-grow pa at pagiging kasi may relationship goals ka in the long para dun sa long term goals ng relationship, di ba? So mas magpuput ka pa ng effort leaning towards to what you want or what you desire in the relationship, and mas yung tingin mong purpose mo in this connection. For example, you realize na yung purpose mo sa relationship is to help your person grow as someone na, for example, he's working on a business. So parang na-realize mo na yung purpose mo is to assist and to even provide knowledge. For example, ikaw yung mas expert dun sa line of business na gustong i-pursue ng person mo. So, you'll put more effort on it para matulungan yung person mo. That's just one of the examples na uh, related dun sa energy na yun. Okay, and that's good kasi very positive yung and optimistic yung pananaw mo sa relationship na at yung nafe-feel mo sa relationship na ito. Now, let's find out naman ano yung nararamdaman ng person mo, okay, sa connection na ito. Bakit? At anong balak niyang gawin about it? And I think it's also positive, but let's find out. Gee, King of Cups, Knight of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, even your person is seeing this as a long-term relationship. Yung potential niya, very looking forward din siya dun sa commitment na meron kayo until the very end. Okay? Which is hanggang sa pagtanda ninyo. Parang ini-envision na niyo yun. And here, he felt really secure and that alam niya din talaga na loyal ka sa relationship. Kaya siya din is reciprocating that energy, that loyalty. And he felt really secure. Para sa kanya, you're his or her safe space. You're his or her best friend. And alam niya na, kaya di ba there's freedom kanina, freedom of expressing emotions or freedom of speech, lahat, financial freedom, alam mo yun, kaya niya magpakatotoo pag kasama kanya. And na alam niya kasi na walang judgment, walang shaming, walang any other negative thoughts. Pero punong-punot lang talaga siya ng understanding, ng acceptance. And kaya this person feels very secure and happy with you. And here with the Knight of Wands showing up pa alongside it, and bakit niya din ito nararamdaman is because it's similar. There's this energy of confidence sa relationship, similar to what you're feeling. Okay? And parang for him or her, every day is an adventure, an exciting adventure with you. May ganon. Ayan. So, here with the Knight of Wands, kaya di niya na-feel na, itong mga positive things about you and about the relationship. Kasi, I mean, parang buhay na buhay talaga siya kapag kasama ka niya. Hindi niya na-feel ang any boredom or, parang, walang, kasi nga, there's a lot of freedom, hindi rin niya na-feel na parang nasasakal siya sa relasyon. Kasi, you just also allow him or her to do what he or she wants to do. Diba? Na kung ano yung sasaya din niya at ika-grow niya. Diba? And it's really very positive. Okay? And now, let's find out ano naman yung challenges na maaari nyong harapin and how both of you can resolve it. Okay? First card, Justice. And Queen of Wands. Okay. So, yung possible challenge lang din na pwede nyong kaharapin is about accountability. May especially it's nakakabit kay Queen of Wands. When it comes to self or yung kasi may siguro may isa sa inyo or both of you, may mga insecurities pa rin as an individual na sometimes natitrigger siya on some occasions or some events sa relationship, some instances na um, may trigger yung mga insecurities na yon. And minsan hinahanap nyo is parang validation lagi. Then but I think that's the energy that you have to let go of because it's not serving you anymore. Here, especially with the Justice card, it's itong energy na to is actually blocking yung 100% harmony sa relationship. So, minsan nagkakaroon ng imbalance. Alam nyo na pag may mga issues, challenges, ma-overcome nyo siya. Pero, pwede naman siyang iwasan in the first place. Okay? Lalo na most of the issues and challenges na na-encounter nyo are related dito sa mga triggers na to. Okay? And once na ma-resolve nyo yun, maayos ninyo at maalis na ninyo yung energy na yun, everything will be harmonious. Alam mo yun? So it's the accountability of working on it is nasa sa inyo yun as individuals and working together to help each other parang heal that insecurities together as a couple na if your person is on a healing journey, just support or same with you. And I think you do naman given this nga na you reciprocate each other sa mga gusto niyo mangyari sa relationship. Okay? And now let's check naman ano yung opportunities na maaring dumating sa inyong dalawa and paano nyo ito hindi mamimiss o how you will grab it the moment na dumating siya. Knight of Swords. And the Fool. Okay. So, the opportunity na pwedeng dumating sa inyo is the energy of the Knight of Swords, which is actually something that will come na parang spontaneous siya. Medyo hindi nyo siya na-expect. But it will give a lot of excitement sa relationship. So I think it and now with the Fool card, it's something that again, the Fool card is also a card of spontaneity, okay, and a new beginning. So I think this is something na you're working together as a couple na hindi siya part siya ng plan pero parang mangyayari siya spontaneously. Kaya pag dumating ito, parang kailangang ready kayo kasi pwedeng ma-miss, parang pwedeng saglit lang siya yung opportunity na to. Pwedeng, for example, it's related to business. Okay? Tapos may offer or may partner na willing mag-invest, for example. So, kailangan pag-usapan nyo siya, not necessarily na agad-agad kayong mag-commit, pero dapat ready nga kayo na kapag dumating itong opportunity na to is madali sa inyo na mag-yes, mag-go. And for example, pwedeng travel opportunity, di ba? Kapag dumating ito, like you want to travel together, pero sa mahal ng flights ngayon, di ba? Pag, for example, dumating yung opportunity na sobrang mura ng flight, sale siya, tapos dun siya sa dream destination ninyong dalawa, di ba? Again, it's a matter of readiness. Okay? And same, for example, if you want, for example, to build a family, have a baby, o tapos there's an opportunity to have one. Okay? Again, it's a matter of readiness. So, but there's this opportunity na something spontaneous this is a collective reading, so pwedeng iba-iba yung mga spontaneous opportunities na pwedeng dumating sa inyo, but this opportunity will give you this fresh start, okay, or a new beginning para sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so pwedeng it's a new milestone, a next level event or next chapter sa relationship ninyo na really very positive and happy and full of commitment and stability. So take however it resonates sa situation ninyo. Alright? And finally, okay, alamin natin ang message ni Universe sa inyo. But before that, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius na nakasubscribe sa aking channel. Salamat po. At sa mga bago, sana kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa aking mga readings, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing. And please support my channel by liking the videos, especially kung nag-resonate sa inyo, and comment na rin below and share na rin sa mga kaibigan nyo na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. You may also follow my IG for more updates, and I invite you to book a private reading kung you want a deep dive dun sa situation ninyo. Okay? Yeah, subscribe na kayo para maging part kayo ng collective as well. Okay, so now, let's find out the message of the universe and what's the best action to move forward with regards to this connection. Okay, Page of Swords and Eight of Cups. Yeah, so ang final message ni universe sa inyo and ano yung best action moving forward is first yung message ni universe sa inyo with the Page of Swords. It's just continue to be curious sa isa't isa, kasi kahit na parang kilala nyo ng isa't isa, may mga natututunan tayo in life that makes us a new version of ourselves every day. Okay, may mga events tayo na-experience na pwedeng hindi na-experience ng partner natin, para sa work, sa ating other circles, with friends, diba, na hindi naman laging 24/7 na magkasama kayo, diba? So, pwede din naman, pero most of you are like working and having other individual priorities. So, continue to know each other. Be curious kung ano yung mga ganaps about isa, dahil it helps with sa pag-deepen ng connection. Okay, and yung goal ninyo is a long-term relationship. So, parang huwag kayong mabore sa isa't isa. Parang always go back dun sa getting to know each other stage, even until now na nasa long-term relationship na kayo. And with the Eight of Cups here, best action moving forward is to really let go and walk away from those challenges kanina na sinabi ko. Those are negative energies that may delay the growth of the relationship. So, lahat ng negative energies, individually and as a couple, kung ano yung mga hindi na nagsiserve sa inyo, iwan nyo na siya sa past and start anew. Okay? And kung may mga challenges, again, alam nyo na nare-resolve nyo siya, pero pwedeng siyang maiwasan in the first place. Okay, so yung mga triggers na sinabi ko kanina, work on it, and it's time to really have this self-discovery then. And the more you discover yourself, the more na ma-discover nyo rin how you play sa role ninyo dito sa relationship. Okay, so Sana nakatulong itong reading na to para mabigyan kayo ng insights and guidance sa current situation ninyo. Always use my reading with discernment. And yeah, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo, Kila Kids. Ingat!